What's the meaning of brainstorming? Brainstorming. Brainstorming.
Brainstorming. Brainstorming. Brainstorming is a technique used to generate creative ideas and solutions through group discussion. It involves an open and non-judgmental approach to encourage free thinking and idea generation. The result of brainstorming is a list of potential solutions or ideas, which can then be evaluated and refined to determine the best course of action. Brainstorming can be used in a variety of settings, such as business meetings, creative projects, and problem-solving sessions. By facilitating collaboration and encouraging diverse perspectives, brainstorming can lead to innovative solutions and breakthroughs that may not have been discovered otherwise.